Go. Hello everybody, today we are going to draw nature. Well, I'm going to use stickers and maybe you would like to draw. So first we're going to draw a name. Oh, and also my name is Charlotte.
I feel like it opens it up. Maybe I'm just lying to myself.
Charlotte.
That,
Will.
by moving this over here, opens it up. It's
That's
I
me.
don't know.
Hi everybody, it's also me.
And I like how it
Filming the video thing type thing. We have no idea what she's talking about. And first, we're gonna draw some trees. She's really good at drawing at trees. I think.
So have you guys checked a screw or something with the bidet?
One blowing in the wind. Now I'm going to start drawing, coloring it, whatever. This is the tree trunk. I don't know if this is the tree trunk. I'm very bad at coloring. It always goes outside the lines. I'm not trying fast. This is just in fast mode. Stop putting it. Okay, and a tree. I'm gonna use a Sharpie.
You should make some dinner. So why not?
For this so that it is.
Just make that gorgonzola stuff.
Okay, there's gonna be a lot of green on the back of this.
You want my phone?
Swamp, 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 swamp.
No.
Got me out. No. Stop it. Stop. Stop making that noise.
You have 1 more minute to record.
What? One?
You don't want to take up all of Grandma's space.
Charlotte, you need to quit. You need to, hurry. I don't want a minute. I'm not finished. So we're just going to draw one tree, and Eliza's going to help me. Okay, you're done with the tree. Now hurry. Now I'm going to start opening this. Please let me open this time. I can't open it. Charlotte, it's 3 minutes. 3?
You can maybe pause the video and then start another one, so it's multiple videos that you can string together.